Hello, this is Sonny the solar guy, and I just wanted to go over a very common, frequently asked question. Typically when a homeowner is considering buying solar, they ask like what kind of maintenance is involved, like what is the ongoing responsibility involved after you install solar. And the reality of it is there really just is not much. There's no moving parts, there's no combustion, so once in a while a panel may malfunction. You're going to be able to tell that by monitoring. I promise you at some point the inverter is going to go down. Again, why you want to monitor your system. And when that inverter goes down, it is warranted, so it's just a quick swap out, but you will be without solar power for maybe a week or 2 weeks. I've installed solar on my house in 2011. My inverters went down twice in the last 11 years, and during those 2 years I've still exceeded annual production targets. So no big deal when the inverter gets out. You just want to jump on it right away. So you definitely want to monitor your equipment, and when you monitor your equipment, what I suggest that you do is set a monthly reminder for yourself to log in, check to see exactly how much electricity your solar system is producing. Because when it's new, it's fun. You're gonna be checking every day, maybe every week at first, but eventually you just start looking at the app and like, oh yeah, it's now doing exactly what I thought it would do. Oh yeah, it produced 1,500 kilowatt hours this month. Hey, what do you know? 1488. What do you know? 1533. Like, just kind of standard procedure. But you definitely want to set yourself a reminder once a month to log in and make sure that it is hitting target, because if it isn't, typically that's going to mean that there's a problem. That could be the Wi-Fi's down or your inverter's out. Either way, we want to jump on that right away. The second thing that you'll want to do as far as ongoing maintenance, which you can do, again, I've never done this one time in the 11 plus years that I've owned solar at my house. But if you're that type of homeowner that just wants to maximize efficiency or feels like they've got to do something for their, expensive solar equipment, is take your garden hose, spray it straight up in the air, just kind of put your thumb on it, spray it straight up in the air, let it waterfall off the panels for 3 or 4 seconds. It'll rinse off any maybe loose dust, debris, or dust particles, and maybe you'll get a little extra production there. Now, if there's debris up there or big, pigeon bird splats that are like covering the cells, preventing production, that's a different story. But as far as like routine maintenance, hey, maybe every couple months, once a year, a couple times a year, spray it off. But owning solar is very easy. There's nothing you have to do as a homeowner. Once it's operating, once it is creating electricity, the most work you're going to have to do as a owner is log in once a month, make sure that it's hitting the target, and that's all you got to do. If you have any other questions, or if you're interested in purchasing solar, you want to see what solar would look like for you, what you would save, what the tax credits would look like, all that good stuff, let me know. Give me a call directly. My number is 480-200-4486. Have a great day.